Hello, welcome to my tutorial on how to sell your photos on Shutterstock. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a contributor account, uploading your photos, and earning money from your creative work. First, you will need to create a contributor account on Shutterstock. Go to the Shutterstock website and click on the Become a Contributor button, or you can click the link in my video's description. Fill out the registration form and agree to the term and conditions. Next, upload your photos to your contributor account. Choose the photos you want to sell and make sure they meet Shutterstock content requirements. Your photos should be high quality, visually appealing, and have commercial value. Before you submit your photos, make sure to add relevant keyword and description. This will help potential buyers find your photos when they search for specific themes or concepts. Once your photos are uploaded and approved, they will be available for customer to purchase. You will earn a percentage of each sale, and the more popular your photos are, the more money you will earn. Remember, it's important to keep uploading new and relevant photos to your contributor account. This will be increase your visibility on the site and attract more potential buyers. In conclusion, selling your photos on Shutterstock can be a lucrative way to earn money from your creative work. By following these simple steps, you can start earning money today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Bye!